Good evening, student. Today we'll just revise those who already done or taught to you. Means first we types of chemical reaction. There are four types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. First combination reaction is those reaction in which two or more elements combine together to form a single substance, or two or more simpler substance combined together to form a single product or substance are known as combination reaction. Second था decomposition reaction. So those reaction which decompose करना, those reaction which single substance is split up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. So we already done here. There are three types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction, and electrolytic decomposition reaction. Only do one thing, definitions you will learn this one. Those reaction in which a single substance is split up into two or more simpler substances, इतना तो सेम रहेगा. In the presence of, यहां पर आ जाएगा in the presence of heat are known as thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal means heat. Thermal decomposition reaction. This is the first part. Composition reaction. This is the first one. Thermal decomposition reaction. There is thermal decomposition reaction. केवल आप लोगों को एक चेंज करना है. Those reaction which a single substance split up into two or more simpler substance in the presence of it. इतना ऐड करना in the presence of it. Definition में decomposition reaction. In the presence of it तो thermal decomposition reaction होगा. Example आप लोग देखें, like heating the iron sulfate, FeSO4. Here you write, what you write? Thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction. So it will split into Fe2O3, SO2, SO3, SO2, then SO3. Here you write 2. Now you will see the balancing 2 Fe, 2S, 1 and 2S, and 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4 to 8. This is the iron sulfate. Another example, lead nitrate. Hold twice, lead nitrate. Thermal decomposition. This is the another example. Thermal decomposition. It will decompose into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, then oxygen. Now you want to balance it. Here is 4, 2. Now 2 lead, 2 to the 4 nitrogen, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6, oxygen is 3, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Here is 4 to the 8 to 10 and to 12. Another example, simple one. Lead nitrate के बाद होता है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. You will put these symbols decomposition. इसका मतलब होता है आपका heat composition. मैथ्स में ट्रायंगल होता है, but here is thermal. It is indicating thermal heat. It will split into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is the thermal decomposition reaction. Those reaction which a single substance is split up into two or more simpler substances in the presence of heat are known as thermal decomposition reaction. There are 3 examples. Now second one, thermal की place पर मैं कर रहा हूँ आपके पास photolytic decomposition reaction. Photolytic, another part. Photolytic decomposition reaction. Only I will do one change. In the presence of heat, जहाँ पर लिखा मैंने वहाँ पर मैं sunlight और light लिख दूंगा. Those reaction in which a single substance is split up into two or more simpler substances in the presence of sunlight or light. Sunlight or light are known as photolytic decomposition reaction. Photolytic decomposition reaction. This is the another part of decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction. Example you will see, like we will take silver fluoride, You write sunlight, a light you light, decomposition reaction. It will split up into two parts, silver plus chlorine. Silver bromide, same it is sunlight, decomposition reaction, then it will split up into silver plus bromine. These are the example of the photolytic decomposition reaction in the presence of sunlight. Now last one is the part of electrolytic decomposition reaction. This is the third part of thermal decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Same it is. I will do one change only here. Those reactions which a single substance is split up into two or more simpler substances in the presence of electricity are known as electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Like example, water. When you pass electricity, decomposition reaction, it will split up into hydrogen plus oxygen. Now NaCl aqueous or molten state, solid में electricity पास नहीं हो सकती. Na plus then Cl माइनस. अब आप लोग उसे डबल करेंगे, so Na then Cl. This is the third one. Displacement reaction. Displacement already you know the part. This displacement reaction is कोई भी एक चीज को हटा के उसकी प्लेस पर अनदर चीज को पुट करना, डिस्प्लेस करना. एक को हटाकर उसकी प्लेस पर दूसरा आ जाना, वो होता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन इज दोज रिएक्शन व्हिच, थर्ड इज द थर्ड वन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. Displacement reaction. Those reaction which highly reactive metal displace the less reactive metal, highly non-metals displace the less reactive non-metals. So होता है पास displacement reaction. और those reaction which one element displace the another element from the reaction are known as displacement reaction. So displacement reactions के लिए सबसे पहले आपको रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज को लर्न करना बहुत जरूरी है, जहां पर आपके पास हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स डिस्प्लेस करेगी, हमारे पास लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल्स को, लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल डू नॉट डिस्प्लेस द हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स. सो दोज रिएक्शन in which highly reactive metal displace, highly reactive metals displace the less reactive metal. Metals or non-metals are known as displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. एग्जाम्पल ले, लाइक कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन है, ब्लू विट्रोल जिसे बोला जाता है. आयरन मेटल्स डाला आपने, आयरन है, सो इट्स कलर इज ब्लू. व्हेन यू मेक द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट इट इज ब्लू विट्रोल. कॉपर सल्फेट पेंटाहाइड्रेट, एक्चुअली इट्स फॉर्med as CuSO4.5s2. ब्लू कलर ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस आयरन, आयरन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, तो कॉपर को जो है आयरन डिस्प्लेस कर देगा. ड्यू टू displacement reactions, color of the solution will fade, it will come light green and copper will deposit it on the iron layer. This is the displacement reaction. Iron is more reactive than copper. Same it is copper sulfate plus zinc. So zinc is more reactive than copper, so it will form zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper sulfate, sorry, H2SO4 plus dilute H2SO4 plus copper metal. No reaction. Dilute. No reaction because here is dilute or concentrate. Because copper is more reactive than hydrogen displacement reactions में, so it will show no reaction. So only those metals displace metals are non-metals, those who are highly reactive metals. Carbon will come in the above the zinc in reactivity series. This is the non-metals. As a it is using as a reducing agent. Carbon is most strong reducing agent. Now last one is double displacement reaction. Exchange of ions. Double displacement reaction is two times those reaction which exchange of ions takes place in the reactions. One is showing oxidation, other one is showing reductions. They will change their ions, are known as double displacement reaction. Example will see BaCl2 react with sodium sulfate. There are two aqueous solution of salt. They will form the PPD. This reaction also known as precipitation reaction. It is barium has +2 charge, chlorine have 1 minus charge, sodium have +1, sulfate have -2. So they will exchange their partners. They will change their ions. Like they will form BaSO4. This is the aqueous aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. Here is this gamma arrow plus 2 NaCl. Aqueous. This arrow indicating formation of PPT. Formation of PPT. This arrow is indicating formation of PPT. It will form BS barium sulfate. This one. This is the one example. Another example you want to see. Now you can take AgNO3 plus NaNO3. You can take AgNO3 plus NaCl. So +1 minus it will change their partners. So it will form AgCl white PPT plus NaNO3. Like form lead nitrate plus potassium iodide, yellow PPT, aqueous solution, both are aqueous. So it will form lead iodide solid plus potassium nitrate, aqueous, yellow PPT. Here is equation is not balanced. You put here. This is the now equation is balanced. This is the part of types of chemical reaction. Thank you. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thank you.